the latest collection of front yard garden design ideas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Explore the beauty of nature with our latest collection of front yard garden design ideas. Transform your outdoor space into a picturesque oasis with our carefully curated garden designs that blend creativity, functionality, and elegance. From charming cottage gardens to modern minimalist landscapes, our collection features a diverse range of ideas to inspire your next garden project. 1. Discover the secrets to creating a vibrant and sustainable garden. 2. Learn expert tips on selecting the perfect plants for your climate. 3. Get creative with unique landscaping and hardscaping concepts. 4. Dive into DIY projects to add personalized touches to your garden. 5. Find inspiration from real-life garden transformations and success stories. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or a beginner looking for inspiration, our videos are tailored to cater to all levels of expertise. Join us on this green journey and let your creativity bloom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest gardening tips and trends. Let's make your front yard the talk of the town.